The ThirdEye helps to increase the security of your commercial fleet through the following features. Number 1. Pedestrian collisions warnings. Detect motorbikes, bicycles, and pedestrians in front of the driver and alert him with verbal commands, active from 0 to 40 km/h. Number 2. Forward collision warning. Assists the driver in maintaining a safe distance from the front vehicle as the driver's preset distance and warns the driver of an impending crash with audio. Number 3. Safety distance alarm. Attracts the driver's attention to keep a safe distance from the host vehicle to the front vehicle by warning the driver. Number 4. Speed limit recognition. Measure the vehicle speed using the device GPS and alert the driver when he exceeds the detected speed limit. Number 5. Road sign detection. Read the road signs and alert the driver with verbal commands. Number 6. Traffic light detection. Read traffic lights and alerts the driver with verbal commands when they break a red light. Number 7. Lane departure warning. Provides lane departure warning for safe driving by alerting the driver with sound to help regain direction if the driver departs lanes unintentionally. Number 8. Verbal alerts. Alert the driver when he has made misbehavior with voice alerts based on each behavior. Number 9. GPS tracking. Send real-time GPS location to command and control system.